Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Play Console APIs for app publishing. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Play Console. Log in with your Google account credentials linked to your Play Console. Once logged in, locate the Settings option in the left menu and click on it. In the Settings menu, find and select API Access. Click on Create Service Account if you do not already have one set up. You will be redirected to the Google Cloud Platform. In the Google Cloud Platform, navigate to the I am an admin section. Select Service Accounts from the submenu. Click on the plus Create Service Account button. Enter a name and description for your service account. Click Create and continue to proceed with the next step. On the Permissions page, select the role needed for your service account. The recommended role for publishing is Service Account User. Click Continue after selecting the appropriate role. Now, click on Done to finish creating the service account. Locate the newly created service account in the list and click on it. In the Service Account Details page, navigate to the Keys tab. Click on Add Key and select JSON. A JSON key file will be automatically downloaded to your computer. Keep this file securely, as it contains your authentication credentials. Next, return to the Google Play Console. In the API Access section, click on Grant Access next to your service account. Enter the email address for your service account and assign the necessary permissions. Select the View App Information and Manage Production Releases options. Click on Invite User to complete the process. Now that your service account has access, set up your development environment. In your code editing software, install the Google Play Developer API library. You can use package managers like npm or pip, depending on your programming language. Import the required libraries for authentication and API requests. Load the JSON key file you downloaded earlier into your project. Use it to authenticate your requests to the Google Play Console API. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.